Well, hello guys, welcome once again to a new short video. Yeah, first of all, sorry for not posting for a while. I had some personal projects to do, and yeah, I spent a little bit of time relaxing after a year of pandemic. But yeah, now we are back with a repair video. This one, it's a simple one, which is not intended to the more advanced people who know how to repair stuff, but instead it's intended to anybody who wants to just to repair their remote. So in this case, we have a remote from a TV here. This is from my kitchen TV. As you may know, in the kitchen you have a lot of steam and other stuff. So could be that electronics are not in their best medium, let's say. Well, this remote from the TV works fine, but some buttons are not working at all. So first of all, how can you find out if your remote is working, or the problem is not from the TV? Well, the process is simple. First of all, just take a look on the battery side. If you have some corrosion or the battery have leaked, then you should remove, of course, the battery, clean it with some isopropyl alcohol or any alcohol, and then yeah, try it again. If this is still doesn't work, then could be that the main board or the contact between the buttons and the main board is not making a good connection. So how you can test this? You can open your phone on camera, and you can put this on camera. Let's hope I can. Okay, so you can see the remote. Well, the camera has a infrared filter on it, and you can see infrared light emitted by the remote. So look with your camera to the remote and press the buttons. When you press the button and you can see the little LED blinking, then this means your remote is working fine. For me, the power button, as you can see, I'm pressing the power button and I cannot see anything. If I press it hard enough, it works in some cases. In other cases, no. Okay, so in order to do this, I have to open this up. First of all, remove the battery, and then be careful. Not all remotes are the same and can be opened the same, but mainly and most of them are only held together by clips. So take a card or something like that, and then just gently make your way over one side until you see one side open, and then the other side. Don't force it, take your time, don't yeah, break any clips. And yeah, we have the buttons here, and then the main board. So basically this is the entire remote. And then take some isopropyl alcohol, some Q-tips, and dip dip it a little bit in isopropyl alcohol and scrub all these connections where the buttons are making contact with the board. Give it a good scrub just to remove all the oils and other residue that have been binding here for some time. Just look on the Q-tip how much residue was on that board. Okay, we put this aside and then make the same thing with the button. So on the other side of these buttons we have some graphite. As you know, this graphite makes a good connection, so it's a conductive material and will make the connection for on the board. So we also have to clean a little bit all these parts, areas. I will focus a little bit more on this specific button, which is the power button in my case. Okay, so we clean all the areas. Now we only have to put everything back together. First of all, put back the main board in the chassis here. Okay, then put the upper part. Maybe a good idea would be to let it sit for a while until before you put it back together, for the alcohol to evaporate a little bit. But yeah, this is not 100% necessary. Okay. We can put the batteries back. So as you can see, the unit is working. Let's test it with our method, with our known method. So you see, this is working now, and also the power button is working. Okay, so if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Why not subscribe to my channel? And yeah, see you in the next one. Okay, bye bye.